Hi, my name's Andrew Williams. We're at the British Shooting Show 2024. I have in front of me the brand new Raffaello BE.S.T limited edition. This is one of 1,000 pieces, 12 gauge worldwide. In the UK we've imported 75. This specific one is number 25. As a Raffaello, this has a two-piece receiver. Other great features about this gun, as you can see, it has beautiful engraving, pheasants on one side, ducks on the other, and gold inlay, scroll engraving on the top of the receiver. Other features include carbon fibre rib. We also have progressive comfort recoil system, which significantly reduces recoil, and as you can see, some beautiful grade 4 woodwork as well. In addition to that, we also have a barrel coating, which is Benelli's own proprietary surface treatment called BE.S.T. This is better than any other coating on the market. This comes with a 25-year warranty against abrasion and scratch resistance and rust and corrosion resistance. Benelli have also launched, literally just launched, a new choke and barrel technology called Advanced Impact. Now where this differs is that at its widest, this has a barrel diameter of between 19.6 and 19.8 millimeters. Back then at the muzzle end, there is a choke system which is between 10 and 12 centimeters, depending on whether it's a flush or extended choke. As the pellets move down the barrel, with a constricted choke system at the end, that effectively increases the velocity of the pellets by 20 meters per second. If you look at that over 60 yards, we're talking about 44% more velocity, we're talking about 77% more energy, and at the point of impact over 60 yards, that equates to about 50% more penetration. So for any long shots, it basically improves penetration, and for longer shots, this is the technology you need to make those longer, cleaner shots. Where it's especially important is for steel and lead shot. Because of the extra velocity, this means that steel shot coming out of this barrel will have more lead-like performance. So as an all-round package, this is an incredible gun, retailing here for around £3,900. This advanced impact technology will also be available on Benelli 828s in the future, and potentially with 20 gauge 828s and Raffaello BE.S.T product here.